Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dye your furniture in Heartopia. So you're only able to dye the ones that you've crafted on this table. As you can see, I'm only able to dye a few things only, like here and here. Let's do this teapot set and start dyeing. I'm going to kind of make it like a pink and like blue theme maybe. Let's see what it looks like. Maybe do it like this. Or like that. And then I'm going to press confirm. And this is what the tea set looks like. But yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like when it's done dyeing. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.